Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to start Unit 5th Children and Women in Sports Part 2. First, common postural deformities. Our posture deviates from anatomical position and causes various postural deformities. They are knock-knee, bow legs, kyphosis, colossus, lordosis and round shoulders. Knock-knees. In proper anatomical posture, there should be some gap between the knees. If there are no gap, the knees touches or overlap. Causes: the lack of balanced diet, vitamin D, calcium and phosphorus is the main causes of knock-knees. Precautions: first is be careful while you walk and avoid prolonged standing. Second, balanced diet. Remedies of knock-knees: perform Padmasana and Gomukhasana regularly for some times every day. Physical activity and exercise for these deformities. Bow legs. It is opposite to knock-knee position. If there is a wide gap between the knees when standing with feet together, the individual has bow legs. This results in an natural gait leading to individual walking and running. And causes: the chance of bow legs also increased when child becomes overweight. Second, precautions: balanced diet. Second, don't let the children be overweight. And next, remedies: balanced diet should be taken. Next, one should walk by bending the toes inward. Next, kyphosis. It is the aggregation of the normal dorsal curve of the spine backward, resulting in slouching attitude. Flat or depressed chest is common in kyphosis. And causes हैं: habit to holding the head forward in abnormal manners. Second, excessive relaxation may also allow gravital force to reflex the spine too much. And next, precautions: avoid this disorder from the every beginning. They should teach appropriate posture of sitting, standing and walking to children so that their posture may remain balanced. And remedies: first one is arm stretching backward and bring the chest forward. Second, always keep a pillow under your back while sleeping. Third, bend your head backward in standing position. Lordosis. Lordosis is the inward curvature of spine. In fact, it is an increased forward curve in the lumbar region. It creates problem in standing and walking. Causes हैं: imbalanced diet, improper environment, improper development of muscles. And precautions: balanced diet. Second, obesity should be kept away, especially in early age. And next one is excessive intake of food should be avoided. Remedies: perform sit-ups regularly. Halasana should be performed regularly. And sit down, extend your leg forward, try to bring your knees to touch your forehead. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. Scoliosis. Scoliosis is a postural defect in which there is one large lateral curve extending through the whole length in spine, or there may be two curves. Cases हैं. First one is underdeveloped legs, means main reason are disease in the joints or bones. And next, precautions: balanced diet, avoid walking for long time while carrying weight in one hand. And remedies: first, hold the horizontal bar with hands and let your body hang for some times. Next, bending exercise should be done on the opposite side. Next, flat foot. It means there is no arch in the foot and the foot is totally flat, which may give rise to pain in foot. It may happen loss of muscles supporting the foot, which result in the fatiguing of the arch, such as children feel pain in their feet when they run and walking. Causes हैं. First, the main causes of flat foot is weak muscles. Second, weak muscles of the foot cannot bear the body weight. And precautions: obesity should be avoided. Second, don't force or encourage babies to walk at an early age. Next, the shoes should be of proper shape and size. And remedies: walking on toes, jumping on toes for sometimes, perform yogas. Round shoulders. It is a postural defect in which shoulder looks like round in shape. The muscle of the shoulder becomes weak and sometimes bend inside due to overload and weakening of muscles. And causes हैं. Round shoulder may be due to heredity. Second, sitting, standing, walking in bent position may also result in round shoulders. Next, lack of proper exercise, especially of shoulders, may also lead to round shoulder. And precautions: avoid tight fitting clothes. Second, don't sit, walk or stand in bent position. And remedies: hold the horizontal bar for some times, perform Dhanurasana, Chakrasana regularly. Okay, Thanks.